The healthcare industry is on the brink of a technological revolution. Patients, doctors, and businesses are embracing change for a healthier future. In today's special, we talk to a woman who's using new technology for more convenient care. We also speak with a doctor who's dedicated his life to electronic medical records to keep his family safe. And we share why a leading telecommunications company is building a platform and connecting Canadians for a better healthcare ecosystem. I'm Amber Mack, and this is The Future of Health.
A year before online therapy began, I was probably in my darkest place. I actually went to the hospital for suicidal thoughts and ideations, and I was in a really difficult spot. I was staying home a lot from work and school, and I was isolating a lot. I found Tranquil through Facebook, actually. I thought, what better way to get therapy than in my own house? So I gave it a shot.
It's important for Canada to connect digitally with health because Canadians expect that level of access, connectivity, convenience with their healthcare interactions with the system as well.
Dr. Doug Kavanagh is a family physician with a long history of developing electronic medical record software. He is also a TELUS Health partner.
Technology allows me to be proactive in healthcare instead of reactive. So when I used to walk in the room with a patient, I'd respond to their immediate concern, but I would be oblivious to what might be coming up in the next few months. Thanks to our software, I'm reminded of things that may be due. For example, with just a glance at the screen, within seconds, I will realize if they haven't had their flu shot this season. So a typical visit where they might be coming in for a cough suddenly turns into a very beneficial preventive care visit.
So today, something happens. The first thing you do is you go to the emergency room. Emergency rooms are busy, they're full of sick people, and you're waiting, typically a long time. A lot of those events don't need to result in an emergency visit. If you were monitoring your health yourself, say you're a diabetic, you're taking your glucose readings and you're monitoring your sugar levels, you can see if you're going out of range before that happens. You can be connected to your care provider who's flagging and saying, we need to monitor this. There's something going on with your sugar levels. Can we talk about your diet or can we talk about your exercise? That avoids you having to go into emerge. So a big part of what digital technology allows us to do is prevent some of these high cost and highly inconvenient health events.
So some of the benefits of doing online therapy is that you're in your own house, you're comfortable, you could be in your pajamas, you could shut off the video portion so the therapist doesn't have to see you. You can choose to be visible, but you don't have to be. And another one of the positives is that I feel you're in control of the situation because you're at home, and that gives you the upper hand. I'm not sure why I feel that way, but I just feel that when you're in the safety of your own house, you're more in control of the situation.
Canada can build its economy on its strengths, including innovation. There are examples in Canada where we are leading the world. One such area, home health monitoring. This is a solution that TELUS put into the market 7 years ago. And this allows clinics to discharge patients earlier, send them home with some technology that allows the patient at home to monitor their own vitals, to monitor their weight and their blood pressure, and have those readings monitored by a nurse. TELUS had tremendous success in seeing 70% reduction in emergency room visits for patients on this technology, 100% patient satisfaction.
When I think of my wife and my 17-month-old son, I want to ensure that they are safe, that they are provided for with a best-in-the-world healthcare system. I want to ensure that no medical error comes their way that could have been prevented with technology. I want to ensure that their healthcare providers communicate with them regarding their health as they grow and mature. I think Canada has the potential to become the best healthcare system in the world, and the path there lies through technology.
So core thing that a telco has is connectivity. We have reach, we have connectivity, to consumers, to businesses, to the public sector. And that's an asset we can bring to better connect care providers in care teams, as well as that care provider with a patient. If we don't move to transform the healthcare system using digital technologies as one tool, then we're facing a cliff in terms of the high cost of sustaining Canada's treasured healthcare system.
If it wasn't for my computer, I'm not sure that I would be here. And that's really scary to say, but I really do believe that, because when I met my online therapist, I wasn't ready to take care of myself. I wasn't ready to take care of my well-being. And I'm just not sure that I would still be here today.
If you're curious about how you can use the latest technology to keep your family healthy, talk to your doctor about electronic medical records and read the article on mobile CERP. Thanks for watching The Future of Health, presented by TELUS.